2, 3 bands, you thinking shit sweet, little nigga. I ain't never gonna stay in my hand. If we too deep, it's a whole block deep. Swear to God, I ain't never gonna feel.
If you hit the subscribe button right now, you'll win $1 million. Psych, I'm just joking. But hit that subscribe button so you can just be generous. What is up, everybody? Desmond 5K bringing you back to another banger. So since you clicked on the video, you already know what it is. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to get your hair curly, man. So right now my hair is kind of dry, actually really dry. But as you can see, I have like a little bit of curls or whatever. But my hair looks like this because I had got 2-strand twists and I untwisted them today. So that's another way to get curly hair, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to get the really good curly hair you see on the thumbnail. So I'm gonna get back to you guys. I'm about to hop in the shower real quick. Just put some conditioner and some shampoo on my hair. And I'm gonna get back to y'all with the stuff you put in your hair after you get out the shower. So I'll be back. But make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new and hit that like button if you're a returning subscriber. Cause our goal today is to hit 200 subs. So let's get on that grind, man. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys, the products you will need for this video is gonna be any type of conditioner. This is the conditioner I use. It can't too shea butter. It's not a lot of it left, but this is what it looks like. Then I go activator cream after I get out the shower. This is what it looks like. Products, but I don't use all of these at the same time because this can make your hair really dry. But this is hydrating cream. It's not really a lot left, but sometimes just to do it like when you wake up or something. And the last and final thing I use is to keep my curls like this. It is this olive oil, smooth and whole putty stuff. I don't know what it is. Saw it at Walmart. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna get in the shower and I'll be right back. Okay, so right now I had just got out the shower and my hair is a little bit damp. I kind of dried it a little bit with a shirt. So right now I'm just gonna put some hydrating cream into my hair. Make sure you get enough for how much hair you have. I have like medium hair, so I'll get like a little bit, not too much. You don't ever want to put too much product in your hair. And so right now I'm going to be using the LCO method. L stands for liquid, and the C stands for cream, and the O stands for oil. So right now I'm just going to be putting an Eco Styler gel in my hair so it keeps my curls throughout the whole entire day and week. So make sure to get enough that you get in your hand and just put it all throughout your hair. So as you can see right now, I'm literally like kind of pulling on my hair kind of when I go put my hands throughout it. So this is just trying to get some volume to the hair. So when you have curls, it like kind of has more volume to your hair, so it looks like you have a lot more hair. And the next video I'm going to be showing you is going to be the next morning after you're done with this. And also you're going to want to shake your hair so the curls form. Alright guys, it's the next morning, so I just put a little bit of water in my hair just to get it so it's not as dry. And kind of like shake my hair a little bit. Then I'm going to put in an oil into my hair so my curls form a little bit better. You see me pulling on my hair a little bit to make sure the roots aren't as dry as the top. You want to make sure your curls go throughout all of your head and none of it is dry. So make sure to go back and forth, side to side, shake your head, get the curls to form. Next I'm going to be applying a curling cream can too. You can get this at Walmart, any store really. Curling cream just helps your curls in the morning curl up a little bit better so you can get your curly hair routine back. So you're just gonna wanna put that throughout your head and shake your hair a little bit more. The main process, and then next you're gonna wanna get the pick and pick out your roots. Don't pick out all the way, you don't wanna pick out the curls. So just pick out the roots so it makes it look better. Main thing with curly hair is to just keep it hydrated, but not too hydrated to where it's wet. You wanna keep it to where it's curly and dry at the same time. So as you can see, all you really have to do is just shake your hair and curls come in. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new, and if you're not new here, already been subscribed, make sure to hit that like button. And I got new content coming next week. Peace.